Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about the best Amazon fund impact reports, a topic that gets straight to the heart of real conservation effectiveness. My interest in this is purely about impact. When we talk about Amazon funds, we're mainly discussing mechanisms like the Amazon Fund managed by Brazil's Development Bank, BNDES, and the work of various high-performing nonprofit organizations. I've spent time analyzing their reports because, as a financially conscious person, I want to see the return on investment in a different kind of portfolio, the planet's health. For my analysis, focusing on the reports of funds that clearly define their metrics offers the best insight. The most impactful reports often highlight three key areas: measurable deforestation reduction, indigenous land rights, and sustainable economic development. First, look for measurable deforestation reduction. The reports of the official Amazon Fund, for example, which is backed by countries like Norway and Germany, are critical here. While complex, their documents detail how funds are used for things like the Rural Environmental Registry, CAR, which helps monitor land use, and for strengthening environmental monitoring agencies. A truly powerful report won't just say they fought deforestation. It will provide the change in the deforestation rate in their supported areas versus a baseline. I've seen some of the best reports correlate their funding directly with a specific reduction in illegal logging or fire alerts. That's the financial transparency we need in conservation. Second, the impact on indigenous lands is a crucial marker. Organizations like the Rainforest Trust or the Amazon Conservation Team consistently publish reports detailing their success in securing land titles and creating new protected areas. In my view, the best impact reports don't just list acres saved. They quantify how many indigenous and local communities were directly empowered. It's about recognizing that these communities are the most effective forest stewards. A good report shows, for instance, a direct increase in the number of trained community forest monitors or the successful defense of a specific ancestral territory. Finally, effective impact reports focus on sustainable livelihoods. This is the financial dimension that ensures long-term success. It's not enough to stop bad practices. You have to create better ones. I look for reports from groups or projects that detail the rise in revenue for local co-ops from sustainably harvested products, like Brazil nuts or acai, or the number of small-scale agroforestry projects they've funded. The best reports show that they're flipping the economics, making the forest more valuable standing than cut down for cattle ranching. This is the financial resilience that truly matters. In my personal experience reviewing these, the reports that stand out are the ones that are granular. They don't just give a big number. They link that number to a specific, verifiable outcome on the ground. When evaluating any fund, demand that level of detail. It's the only way to ensure your support is driving real, lasting change. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.